Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah at Revive Chiropractic Centers in Hamburg, and today we're talking about what can be done in the office to help relieve or reduce the severity, the likelihood, or the frequency of tension headaches. Now, like we were talking about, tension headaches create a tension or a spasm into the muscles of the back of the neck, and that in turn reduces the natural cervical curve. You should have a nice C or banana-shaped curve in your neck, and the muscles, they can pull and reduce that natural curve. So with chiropractic care, we want to focus on restoring that natural curve. Now, there are very specific adjustments that we can do in office to restore that curve. There is one called the toggle adjustment. It was developed by Dr. B.J. Palmer many years ago, and it's very specific. It focuses on the atlas, that very top bone of the neck. And when that bone is out of alignment, it creates headaches and tension into the head and the face. The focus of the toggle adjustment is to restore that natural alignment of the atlas. It's very, very specific and very powerful. Some chiropractors only adjust the atlas because it's such a very specific and powerful adjustment. It will help to reduce the tension very quickly. Another adjustment we use is the impulse adjustment. Again, I was speaking that we want to have that natural C-shaped curve. When you don't have that curve, we want to restore the curve. So the impulse adjustment is very specific. It forces very gently into extension your neck curve, and it helps to restore that curve much more quickly. So those are two very specific adjustments that we can perform here in the office. They help to alleviate stress and tension. It will reconnect the brain and the body. It will restore that proper natural cervical curve. It will change the posture of your head for better overall health. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Sarah at Revive Chiropractic Centers of Hamburg. Please share this video with your friends and post any questions at the bottom.